Hey guys, today we have this iPhone XR with a broken back glass. This poor old thing, we're gonna give it some love and bring it back to life. So let's get started. And now it's crunch time. I know this looks bad, but you know what they say. You gotta crack some eggs to make an omelet, and you gotta crack some glass to fix a phone. I love my laser machine. This thing has made my life so much easier. And I've seen so many of you in the comments asking, where can I get one of these things? Well, I've got some great news for you. We're actually going to be selling them very soon. And if you want to be one of the first to get it, make sure to click the link in the description and you'll be notified as soon as it's available for sale. And there we go. As always, it's looking as good as new, and I'll catch you on the next one.